up, my simple cooks? It's John here from Simple Cookery. On this channel, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. Today, we're making Okonomiyaki, which is kind of like a Japanese-style pancake made with 3 components to it. So you've got your base, your Okonomiyaki batter, and then you've got your toppings, and then your sauces on top. So let's go through. So for the batter, which is the first component, we're going to need some cabbage, flour, 2 eggs, some stock. Now you can use dashi stock, which is what they usually use, but you can also use the chicken or beef stock as well. And we've got some cornflour, which helps the okonomiyaki stay really nice and fluffy. And for the toppings, you can put any toppings you want. So sometimes people use yakisoba noodles or like seafood, prawns especially. I've just gone with some diced bacon, which I've got from the supermarket, and some Benny Shogu, which is a Japanese pickled ginger. And to top it off, we've got our okonomiyaki sauce, some Japanese Kewpie mayo, and some Bonito Flakes as well. So that's all we need. Let's get into the cooking. So for the cabbage, you want to remove the stem because this is quite hard and unpleasant. You don't want to be adding it to your okonomiyaki. And to finely slice the cabbage, I recommend slicing into smaller pieces first. It's going to make finely dicing the cabbage much more cleaner and easier. Okay, perfect. Now that's all diced up. Let's move that to the plate. Let's go and prepare our okonomiyaki batter. So first thing we want to add is 1.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, and the corn flour is going to help the okonomiyaki rise and stay nice and fluffy. Add 3 eggs into the batter and give that a good stir. And after the eggs, we're going to add 1 cup of stock. You can use dashi stock, chicken stock, or beef stock. And let's go in with the cabbage, some bacon, and 1 tablespoon of Benny Shogu, which is Japanese pickled ginger. And now let's give this batter a good mix. Perfect, now our batter is done, so it's time to cook this okonomiyaki up. Drizzle in a generous amount of oil so that the fry pan is nicely lubricated, and then just add half your batter in, get a spatula and form it into a nice round shape. Cover the pan with the lid, and what this is going to do is create a mini oven and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes until one side is nice and golden brown. So after about 10 to 12 minutes, you want to remove the lid and move the okonomiyaki around to make sure that it's not sticking to the pan. Let me show you a little tip to flip this thing. Transfer it onto a large plate, put the fry pan upside down onto the plate, and then flip it upside down. And so that's going to allow you to fry the other side as well. And this is looking really nice. This is the color that we're looking for, a nice golden brown. Transfer it off the fry pan and onto a plate, and let me show you how to present this. The first thing you want to do is get your okonomiyaki sauce and drizzle it generously over the top. Try and create these nice little patterns, and then get your Japanese Kewpie mayo and do the same thing and drizzle in the opposite direction, horizontally. And then if you want to create some nice little patterns, I recommend getting a chopstick, running some lines through the sauce, and you see how it creates this nice checkered pattern in the okonomiyaki. And to finish it off, add a couple of Bonito Flakes on top. And that, my friends, is okonomiyaki. Okay, so you just cut it into quarters. This is a great recipe to cook if you're like hosting and you want to share with some friends who come over. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Yeah, and let us know what the recipes you like to see on this channel. We've been cooking a lot of Japanese recipes on this channel, and you guys have seemed to be liking them, so let us know what other Japanese recipes you'd like to see as well. If you want to see the next episode, make sure you subscribe down below, hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos on Simple Cookery. We cook simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. Yeah, you guys like it?